Alright, viewers, my name is Martin. I'll be talking about how to differentiate composite functions using chain rule. Now, a function is said to be composite when we can express it this way. It must have a power something, or there is a minus sign to show the reverse of it. So if that is the case, we have everything here can be written as this. Y is equal to 2 to 4x minus 10 raised to the power minus 100. Because this minus will bring down this in the following rules of indices. So if that is the case, we assume everything in this bracket to be u. We take this as u. So we say let 4x minus 10 equal to or be u. Not 2. It's just everything in bracket that we're taking as u. So if that is the case, we'll have our y now to be 2u raised to the power minus 100. Because everything else is now your u. You now start differentiating. Now, take note. If this is your y, you must get your dy du, because chain rule is divided by dy du times u dx. So you must get your dy du first. Your y is this. So you have it as 2u raised to the power minus 100. If you find the derivative of y with respect to u in this function, minus 100 come and multiply 2, you have minus 200. If you subtract, if you remove 1 from 100, minus 100 minus 1 is minus 101. It's not 99. Minus 100 minus 1 is minus 101. That is that. So for this answer is for right du. So for du dx, for du dx, what is du dx? Your u is what? Your u is already 4x minus 10, because we said let 4x minus 10 equal to or be u. So it means that everything is u. So your u is now 4x minus 10. So you have 4x minus 10. If you find the derivative of u with respect to x, you have 4. Of course, the derivative of minus 10 is 0. This x, there is an invisible one here. 1 become and times 4 is 4. If you subtract 1 from this one, is 0. So, basically, we are having 4x raised to 0, which is same as 4. Because we have 4 times 1. So, we leave it as 4. Then, we can now get our dy dx. So, in that case, from here we have dy dx becomes, the formula for chain rule is dy du times du dx. This formula that you see is called the chain rule, or the function of a function rule. What is your dy du? Your dy du is minus 200 raised by minus 101. Just put it here. I don't see anything there. What is your du dx? You check here. Your du dx is 4. Put it there and solve. So if that is the case, our dy dx becomes dy du we know as minus 200 used by minus 101. So we have minus 200 used by minus 101. That is times here. So times, why du dx? Let's go back. Du dx is 4 because we find the derivative of u with respect to x becomes 4. So times 4. So if that is the case, now take note. This u, your u must be replaced. What is your u? Your u is 4x minus 10, because we said let 4x minus 10 be u. So if I see u there, put 4x minus 10. That is what we are talking about, referring to composite functions. So if that is the case, you have minus 200. Your u is 4x minus 10. So just bracket 4x minus 10 raised to power minus 101 times 4. That's what we are saying. Take note, in indices we said that if you have x raised to power minus 1, It seems that I'm saying 1 over x. Because this minus means 1 over. So in other words, x will come down. Now assuming this is x over minus 2, this will be all squared. Because the minus will bring down, x. So this minus 1 over means 4x minus 10 will come down, and then 1 over will come down without putting the sign, because the sign is that 1 over that you see now. So in that case, you have this. You have minus 200 times this minus means 1 over. So you have 1 over bracket 4x minus 10 plus over 1 over 1 times 4. Because this minus means 1 over. It has brought down 4x minus 10. So at this point, this can now conveniently times 4 with time directly. So you now have your dy dx pertaining to, chain rule. Minus 200 times 4. 4 times 2 is 800. 4 times minus 200 is 800. So you have minus 800 all over 4x minus 10 plus over what? 1 over 1. Thank you.